Problem number 5, we're going to do more of the same. Again, I'm going to hit the menu button, right? I'm going to come down to calculus. I'm going to go to sum, and then I'm going to hit enter. Now, it's still the same. I'm going to say x, our lower boundary is 1, our upper boundary, well, let's plug it in. Now, here's where it gets interesting. I'm going to say 2 times, and then I have to start parentheses, and then I put my -4. So see how I'm kind of making it look just like the problem? Then I hit the caret symbol, right? Then up in this, I'm going to start another set of parentheses, and because I chose the variable x, I'm going to say x -1, close the parentheses, and then move up, and my upper boundary is 10. This is going to be some crazy number, but not too crazy, because remember, we're alternating. We're adding, subtracting, adding, subtracting. So I hit enter, and I get 419,040. So this whole thing is equal to -419,040, or 430. I said it wrong, I wrote it down right. Okay? Does that make sense?